Welcome to our channel where today we reveal the easiest way to withdraw your cryptocurrency to your bank account efficiently. And safely welcome to our channel where we guide you through the simplest and most secure process of withdrawing your cryptocurrency to your bank account. First, start by accessing a reliable and trusted cryptocurrency exchange platform that supports direct bank withdrawals. Log into your account and navigate to your wallet or balance section where your crypto assets are stored. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to convert to fiat currency and prepare to sell it. Next, check the current market rate and decide how much crypto you want to sell to meet your withdrawal needs. Once you confirm the amount, proceed to sell your cryptocurrency to your local currency within the exchange platform. After successfully selling your crypto, you will now have fiat currency available in your exchange wallet. The next step is to initiate the bank withdrawal by providing your bank account details accurately, including your bank's name, account number, and any required routing or SWIFT codes. Confirm the withdrawal amount and submit the request. Depending on the platform and your bank, the processing time may vary from a few minutes to a couple of business days. Always verify the fees associated with withdrawals to avoid surprises. Monitor your bank account for the deposit of funds and keep records of your transaction for future reference. Following these clear steps will help you withdraw your cryptocurrency to your bank account securely and with minimal hassle. Don't forget the importance of using two-factor authentication and ensuring your account security throughout the process. Thank you for watching, and now please subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more crypto tips and guides.